Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make over medium eggs without flipping. This method is fantastic for achieving that ideal balance, a fully set egg white and a beautifully creamy, slightly runny yolk. It's a simple technique that relies on steam, eliminating the need for any tricky flipping. We'll walk through each step, from preparing your pan to knowing exactly when your eggs are perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. Let's get started. First, grab a good non-stick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches across. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil to the pan while it's still cold. This helps prevent sticking and ensures a smooth cooking surface. Place the pan over medium-low heat. You want the butter to melt gently and coat the bottom without browning. This gentle heat is crucial for slowly setting the whites without overcooking the yolks. Once your pan is ready, carefully crack 2 large eggs directly into it. Try to keep them separate if possible. Immediately place a tight-fitting lid on the pan. This is the magic step. The trapped steam will cook the top of the egg whites, setting them perfectly without any flipping. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep an eye on them. The cooking time can vary slightly based on your stove and pan. After 3 to 4 minutes, lift the lid. Your over-medium eggs are ready when the whites are completely set and opaque, with no jiggly, translucent parts remaining. The yolk should still have a beautiful, slightly runny center, but not be completely liquid. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked eggs onto a plate. A sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper is all they need. Enjoy your delicious, no-flip over medium eggs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.